So by looking at the intro and the title, you pretty much got to know that something big is being cooked at the next gen headquarters, and you are exactly right. Today we have the Xbox Series S unboxing and first impression, and this thing is heavy. This thing is really. There you go, guys. This is the Xbox Series S. I have finally ordered it. And by now, looking at our setup, you pretty much know that next gen people working over here, like in the next gen tech, are pretty much Xbox fanboys. There are already two lying over there, and I've got another one to unbox. So let's go and get it started. Oh my god. So finally, for the moment we all have been waiting for, guys, to unbox this bad boy. Man, I'm really hyped and excited. So before I do the unboxing, let me give you a quick overview of the box, what we get to see. On the front, we see the newly showcased Xbox Series S and the Series X controller, which is recently launched with them. The Xbox console itself over here, it shows you some features over here. It is capable of doing 120 FPS, up to 120 FPS. It has Xbox Velocity architecture, the new architecture. This is a 512 solid state drive, which is a bit of a concern because we know we all are living in 2021 now, and games are over 100 GB. So we'll get to that later. As you can clearly see, guys, we don't get to see any Blu-ray drives because this thing is completely digital. It also supports gameplay at 1440p, which is 2K, and total upscale to 4K. And this also has support for ray tracing. It has high dynamic range, Dolby Atmos, DTS:X support. Let's see what you get on the top. You get the controller, you get the console. On the side also same thing, Series S, a small touch that I really love, 512 GB SSD. And on the back, they showcase their Game Pass over here with the console, and it's written over here, power your dreams. It's time to unbox this thing. This thing is heavy. So finally, the main man of our show, the Xbox Series S. Man, this is so small, looks so cute on hand. Damn. It looks like those typical Haldiram sweet box that you get during the Diwalis. So good, jokes apart, we'll just keep it over here for the timing and see what else we get in the box. We get the quick start guide. Obviously, we don't need it. We get the power cord over here. This is some quality stuff, guys. The high speed HDMI cable. Some Xbox documentation. Now the controller, the new controller, which is recently launched with the Xbox Series S and X. I'm so excited. Dang. Just look at it, guys. Looks so good. This white color on it. I'm already in love with it, guys. You also get, I think, two AA batteries from Duracell so that you can set it up as soon as possible if you don't have lying at your house. Just keep the box aside for the time being. Just look at it, guys. Let me just get this out of here. I just want to do it smoothly. Just gonna take some time. Just don't wanna mess out the packaging. And the Xbox Series S console in all of its glory in white and black color. So at the top of the console, on the top left corner, we see a Xbox engraved logo over here. The circular black vent houses the 130 fan that cools the entire console, and it has pretty thick holes over here. As you can see, the holes are pretty big, and I am pretty sure and I can assume that it will help with the cooling a lot. Coming to the side of the console, if you see through the holes closely, you'll get to see the heat sinks and other components inside, and the vents over here are also quite thick, so cooling won't be a problem, I guess. At the front, we get to see the USB port, a pairing button, and the power on off button, which will light up when you power it on. On this side, we get 4 rubber standoffs on each and every corner, so that you can just vertically mount it like this on your desk or whatever you want. Now coming at the bottom of the console, we can see there is a subtle and a small engraving going over here which says Xbox and hello from Seattle, from where it is actually manufactured and designed. They really love this small touch given by Microsoft. We also get to see 4 tiny rubber standoffs which actually is used for placing the console horizontally on your desk like this. There's one thing I want to mention. Even though this is very small, but still it weighs around 2 kgs, which is actually very surprising. And on the bottom, on the back part, we see the LAN port, 2 USB port, an HDMI out, expansion storage, and the power cord connector. So having a look at the newly launched Series S controller, as you can see, over the years their design or the color scheme might have changed, but the Xbox Series grip is still there, that it's known for. The grip is still great, and they haven't changed the grip. If you see on the Xbox One S controller, the D-pad over here is like this, but on the Series S they have given a circular D-pad, which I think is much better compared to that one. Another new feature that they have included in this controller is the new share button over here. Now you can share all your gameplays or whatever just with a click of a button. You just click over here. Let me just focus it. Yeah, there you go. Just press it over here. The grips are now better. You see the back contour. There are like dotted textured grips all over the back where your hand sits like this to give you a better overall grip. There, and on the RT and LT also they have added some texture grips so that your hand doesn't slide off while gaming or when you are in a serious mode. There is also a pair button over here that we generally see in all the Xbox controllers, and there is the USB type C charge port or the connector port, whatever you want to say. And as you can see, when you open the battery compartment, they accept 2 AA batteries, and which I think, like personally, it's better compared to a non-removable battery, and it has been used earlier by Xbox controller also, so nothing has changed over here. Same battery layout that they have been using over the years. This is to show you how the design and the color scheme of the Xbox controllers have changed over the years. If you are loving our content, guys, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It will help us more to bring further new contents in near future. And do hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from our channel. If you have any question regarding the product that we reviewed or unboxed today, do feel free to comment below. We'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. You can also follow us on our social media handles listed on the sites. Till then, stay happy. It's me signing off. Enjoy the gameplay. Thank you.
This seal. I saw it a long time ago. I keep seeing it in my dreams. Federal Bureau of Control. All these years I've been looking for them and they were hiding in plain sight. Hello? Hey, excuse me.
There you are. You are a janitor's assistant. You need to go that way to the elevator.
Elevator that way. Got it.
I'm Ahti, the janitor, by the way. You'll work for me. You can say if they don't.
I've done enough night shit.